Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will show you how to write a program to find addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, then modulus, exponent, even it is also called as a power of given two numbers. In simple, we can say illustration of arithmetical operators in Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, put the status of video link in the various social medias which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. First, I will open the Python interpreter, and in this particular video I will be writing a program to illustrate all the arithmetic operations in Python programming language by using script mode. This is an interpreter of an Python program. Now I'll create a new file. The shortcut key is Ctrl N, or else just you can click on file in the menu bar and then new, as I have done. Now you need to write an program. Before writing a program, I will write the program name in a comment hash Python program to illustrate all arithmetic operations of Python programming language. Press enter. So here I will be requiring two values. So first I will write num1 space equal to space float, open the bracket, then after that input, open the bracket, within the double quotes, enter the value of num1 space double quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close. Then afterwards I will read the second number by writing num2 space equal to space float, open the bracket, then write input, open the bracket, then even you can use double quotes or single quotes. I use now single quotes. Enter the value of num2 space single quote, close the bracket and close the bracket. More information regarding the input function we can watch the previous video in my YouTube channel. Now first I will find the sum of two numbers. I will write add space equal to space num1 space plus num2. Press enter. Then I will find the difference by writing diff equal to, there is a space equal to num1 space minus num2. Then I will find the product by writing prod space equal to num1 into, that is asterisk space num2. Then I will find the division value by writing div space equal to space num1 space divided by num2. Press enter. Now I will find an integer division value. int div is the variable I have taken, space equal to num1 space double division operator space num2. So what is the difference between this and this is that in the first one num1 divided by num2, it will give the decimal part as well as the fractional part, whereas in the second one int div is equal to num1 double backslash num2, in this one it will be giving only the integer part, the fraction parts will be truncated. Then I will calculate an remainder, that is by using a modulus operator. Rem space equal to space num1 percentage symbol, that is a modulus symbol, space num2. Next I will calculate the exponent, it is also called as an power. I will write P num1 num2, that means power of num1 num2, space equal to space num1 double asterisk space num2. That means what? Num1 to the power num2. Press enter. Now we have to display all the values. So all those values I will be displaying by using a print function separately. More information regarding the print function you can watch the previous video. Print, open the bracket, within the double quotes, addition equal to double quotes close comma, so that we are storing a variable add, close the bracket, press enter. Then again next, print, open bracket, within the double quotes, difference equal to double quotes close comma, that variable is diff, close the bracket, press enter. Again next, print, you have to display the multiplication value, multiplication equal to double quotes close comma, so that I have stored in a variable prod, close the bracket, press enter. Next again, print, open the bracket, so I will write single quote, even we can also write a double quotes, division is equal to single quote close comma, div bracket close, press enter. Again print, open the bracket, within a single quotes, integer division. So earlier one I have written just division, whereas now I am writing integer division equal to single quotes close comma, that variable where I have stored the result is int div, close the bracket, press enter. Next reminder, print, open the bracket, within a single quotes, remainder is equal to single quote close comma, that variable is rem, enter, print, open bracket, within a double quotes, we can write power, or it is what, exponent, that is num1 to the power num2, double quotes close, equal to, then afterwards double quotes close comma, that variable is p num1 num2, close the bracket. So now I will save this particular program by using a shortcut key Ctrl S. I'll save this one as all ARTOP, that means all arithmetic operation. Click on save. The program is saved. Now run the program by pressing the shortcut key, that is the function key F5. If there is an error, it will show. So now since it has displayed that one, there is no any logical or there is no any syntax error. Now I'll give the value of num1 as 5, enter, num2 as 2. So now what should be the values? Addition should be 5 plus 2 7, and difference will be 5 minus 2 is 3. Then multiplication will be 10, division will be 2.5, and integer division will be 2, remainder will be 1, and then exponent, that is 5 to the power 2, will be 25. I'll press enter. You can see the result. Addition 5 plus 2, that is 7, and difference 5 minus 2, that is 3, multiplication 5 into 2 is 10, and division 5 by 2 is 2.5. Integer division, you can see 5 divided by 2, you get only the integer part, so integer part is 2. For that purpose it is called as an integer division. And then remainder, so when you divide 5 by 2, the remainder will be 1, that is a modulus operator. Then power or exponent, that is e to the power b, that is num1 to the power num2. 5 to the power 2 is 25. If you want another one output, click on the script mode, then again press F5. So give the other values. So now I'll give the num1 value as 9, enter, num2 value as 4, then press enter. So these are the results. If you want another one output, then again click on the script mode, then again press F5. I'll give the value as 9, enter, I'll give the value as 2. and this is the output. So 9 plus 2 11, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 into 2 is 18, 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, that is a division, whereas integer division is 4, a remainder 9 divided by 2 remainder is 1, and power 9 to the power 2 is 81. So this is a program to illustrate all arithmetic operations of Python programming language. So this is a Python program to illustrate all arithmetic operations. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.